Hey, it's Nick. I'm back. And this time, Trunk Club unboxing. These things are just chock full of clothes. So we're gonna get to all the clothes inside. We're gonna see if it fits for fat guys. And then I'll tell you how you can save 50 bucks off of your first box. First thing I notice is the shoe box. Okay, they're slip-ons. I'm all about slip-ons. So let's try these on. See what else we get. A white polo. I don't have any white polos. I don't have a lot of white, period. So, some accessories. The only problem with these is that I wear prescriptions. So I can't really get sunglasses, but I thought it would be cool if I showed you that they got sunglasses. And some socks. I will not show you what these look like on. A super soft flex polo. This is not gonna look good on, I can just tell from the material, but it's gonna be super comfortable. I just won't want to show anybody. A Henley tee? I haven't got a Henley tee in a long time, and this is a good color, a dark gray. I think if this looks good, I'm gonna be very happy with this. This might be definitely one of the ones I keep. Just a plain blue polo. It's like super soft and comfortable. It's from Nordstrom, so it's an expensive polo, not like that Walmart polo I have. Oh, this is like super soft. And it's a cool little button up. It's a short sleeve, little dots. Looks like people are playing Pong on my chest. Well, you can't like everything. We'll give it a try, obviously. I've been shocked before when I put things on. I think this shirt that I'm wearing now shocked me when I put it on. Oh no. Some more jeans that feel like super comfortable. Are they flexy? Oh no. No, I have too many jeans. Well, let's throw everything on. None of it could fit, and I might be able to save myself some money, but that's okay. You pay for the stuff that you like. If you want to save 50 bucks on your first box, you use my link in the description, and it gets me 50 bucks, and I think you get 50 bucks. I'll be honest, I haven't looked much into the refer a friend part. If it saves you money, sweet. If not, I mean, it's worth a shot. It's a bunch of clothes you get to try for free, or like 20 bucks. Let's try everything on and see how it all fits. So before I get into the clothes and how it fits and stuff like that, I just want to give a shout out to these guys, the collector, what are they called? World Finest Collection. They finally did a Superman. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a lot of nerd stuff in the background, and I just got this box. I've been waiting for the Superman one for forever, because I'm a huge Superman nerd, if you can't tell. I just want to say, they nailed it. I don't get anything for that either. I just want to let you guys know that that was pretty dope. Back to the clothes. The sunglasses I can't keep because I can't see anything. But the polo is very comfortable. It fits really nice. And I don't have a white one. I might end up keeping this, surprisingly. The jeans did not fit, thankfully, because I'm sure they're expensive. But they were nice jeans. They're very soft. And I probably would have got them if they did fit, but they were just a little small. The shoes, though, they're not bad. The red polo, like I said, it's soft, but it is not pretty. It's very clingy. I feel like you can see my goods. I do not feel happy and comfortable and confident in this shirt. The gray Henley, it's a little clingy, but I think I can get over that. It's a really good color. It's comfy. I don't know how it looks. You think it looks okay? I feel good in a polo. This is like high quality poloing here. I feel like I should be playing polo. This is so polo. It's thick, it's heavy, it's like long enough that where I don't have to like continually like pull it down because I'm worried about it. I would be very confident in this, and I may keep this one. I don't know what to say. Oh my god. I don't think they sent me the right shirt. I feel very exposed. My wife said this is how it's supposed to look. Is this the style? It's like this. I don't understand. It's not. No. So this is completely opposite from the last one. It fits. I can button it. Crap, I think I like it. It's actually unlike any other shirt that I have. It's very summery and happy and cheerful. My wife likes it. And that's all the clothes and stuff inside my trunk club. You buy anything that you want, you send back anything that you don't, like these sunglasses, going back, click the link. If you save money, you're welcome. If you don't, maybe next time. Let me know what you think. Would you get trunk club, or do you think I should keep anything that I thought I didn't like? Perhaps that blue button up? Do you like that look? Thanks for watching, guys.